petrol.
And a bit of petrol on it to get it going.
Oh, damn, I took a picture. Oh, hang on.
Bit of petrol to get it going. Here we go. Here we go.
That's good.
Is it petrol?
Yeah.
Get some of that.
Have you nicked it from my pet?
Your ped's just gone on it. Hey, why don't we just pedal play it?
Well, that's good enough for me.
Right.
Just clobber knock it.
Right, so we got petrol on it, now we just need a bit of some embers to get it going. Ooh. Right, watch out now.
Right, that's got to step back. All embers are going to go skeleton.
That's got to go.
Skeleton.
If it don't go now, it's
yeah, I know.
Damn it. Ayo.
It's not gonna go. It's not gonna.
Maybe it's one of them fireworks that gives up halfway to fools all. So then we go into all this, see if it goes, and eventually it goes. Yeah, Danny, record me recording you. Well,
Once again, we've got petrol on the fire. Not on the fire.
Just for the benefit
Once again, we've got petrol on the firework. Burnt it. Now we're waiting for it to
again,
explode.
Danny talking shit, talking out of his ass. No one
Shut the
listening.
fuck up. Get out.
Boom! Yeah,
Get back up here. Burnt.
Kaboom!
Blow his shitty little. Maybe somewhere he's left.
Oh, it's not. If you've thrown petrol on that and put fire on it, isn't it?
It ain't going out, is it? It's burning at the bottom though.
It's
burning on the inside, isn't it?
What's going on here, lads?
Once it burns, so we've got to get time, haven't we?
Petrol on it, put bomb on it.
Just put petrol on it and blow anything.
Chuck you on it. Kill him with my bare hand.
Could you kill him with your bare hands? Kill him with my bare
Chuck Henry Weston at it. Henry will sort it out.
Oh, shit!
Oh, got a full.
Nearly had an accident there. So what the answer I said, oh yo.
It's smoking, it's a naughty firework.
You see that then? Do you see
That
where
one's
that log was burning?
No?
Near gas canister.
No.
Chuck the gas can.
That'd fucking start off, wouldn't it? We'd all go boom!
Flick it into the fire. That would have gone like fucking god, that would have.
Oh, a gas canister like that, it would have been.
The pressure on that.
Yeah, there would have been shrapnel everywhere.
That's on your way.
It'd be like the Gulf. I said
Wow.
the Gulf. The Gulf. The bloody Gulf War. Say scrape them off.
Ayo!
They scrape embers off first, yeah?
Don't be a hero.
Whoa!
Hey!
Here we go! Whoa! Yeah, it's near, isn't it?
Look at it, it's right on edge. It's right on edge.
It's smoking, isn't it?
It's right on edge.
Because it could go
Don't be a
anywhere.
hero.
You know what it's doing now.
Run!
Julie's in on it though.
Going.
Has he done his will?
This hasn't happened for years, but
What's the wind doing?
I'll see when it
But because it's coming off on the
Yeah,
side.
you can see it here. Just stand there.
What are you doing with it?
I can see when you do pushing the way.
Alright.
Right.
Don't hold it
Go
then,
on.
Dad. Just get out of the way. Oh, shit.
Right, get back.
Quick, Owen.
Oh!
Wait
Till this goes now.
Get him up!
It's gonna fly to our.
Wait till that shitty little fence goes.
That fence is gonna go flying out.
That was great teamwork, lads.
There's one.
Happy 5th of November, I say. Happy 5th.
Happy guy, folks.
Wait till I start rocketing off though. They go like 100 metres in air.
So, a
Oh,
bit
not
to the
with a
left.
fence on it.
Fuck off. You see it's a fence, it's going to go bang.
Firework that ain't gone off. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa,